Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to update the Binance application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now next, open up your Google Play Store on Android and App Store on iOS. Once you're inside the home page, click on the search button at the bottom right and in the search bar type in Binance. Search for the app, and once you find the Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto application, this one over here, go ahead and look for an update button if available. If you see an update button, tap on it to download and install the latest version. If you see open instead, your app is already up to date. By doing that, you will be able to get the latest release for the Binance application on your smartphone quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.